Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, you will learn about the localhost. Localhost is used to convert your machine into the server. Your machine or your PC or your laptop into the server. Domain name and a server is required to successfully run a website. When you develop your website, you host your website somewhere. It's called the deployment. So you need a server that is live 24 by 7 so that everyone can access your website pages around the globe. For that, you need a server. Mostly servers are taken on rent from a hosting company. In most of the cases, you don't set up the server for your website because it's costly. So you take the server on rent on monthly basis or yearly basis or on the basis of any contract. Your local machine or computer can be converted into a server so that deployment and testing can be done before production. Here you need to know there are two phases actually. One is the development phase and second is the production phase of your website. When you develop your website, mostly you develop it on your local computer and you test the website on your local computer. And when it's fine, you go live. That's called the production phase. When you deploy your website onto the server, it's called the production, where everyone can access your website around the globe. So you test and develop your website on your local machine. And once you successfully develop your website, you buy the hosting. You take the server on the rent and deploy that website. So local machine will help you to develop and test your website on your local computer. There are softwares that convert your local machine into the server. Mostly XAMPP and WAMP are used to convert your local machine into the server. Server or local server has two parts. One is the web server, second one is the database. Here you need to understand one important point. Web server doesn't only run your website, it's also used to run the application. It may run API, pages, posts, settings, and content data will be saved into the database. So server will be used to run the website and the database will be used to save the content of your WordPress website. Local host IP is 127.0.0.1. Every website has an IP and that IP is connected to the domain name. When you type, let's say google.com, it has the IP like 192.178. Something. So now download the XAMPP and install on your local machine so that your computer can behave like a server. It's 64-bit version. If your computer is 32-bit, then find the 32-bit version. I have the download already, so double click. Click next. As you can see, there are servers. Those will be installed. Perl and PHP as a language. So click next. The default path is C drive. You can change by clicking it here. Click next and next. Again next. It takes some time to install Installation done successfully. Click Finish and polling screen will appear. It's the XMPP control panel from where you can start the server. You can start the MySQL from here. First, start Apache. Background color turns into green. It means it's running. Now your computer has been converted into the local host, into the local server. One important thing to mention here, stop this server, close the panel. If you want to start XAMPP, go to the C drive where you installed the XAMPP, scroll down, there is XAMPP control. Double click, you will get the same screen. You can also start from here. First, we will check if it's working fine. Go to browser, type localhost, and congratulations, you have successfully converted your machine into the local host, into the local server. XAMPP is a combination of Apache, MariaDB. MariaDB is the free version of MySQL. MySQL is not free. Its MariaDB version is free. PHP and Perl have been also installed. As I have told you, the localhost IP is 127.0.0.1. 127.0.0.1. Type and enter. You will see the same screen. Either you type localhost or you type 127.0.0.1. You will get the same screen. So you have successfully converted your PC, your laptop into the local server. Now we will focus on the WordPress.org and create the website using WordPress. So till then, goodbye, take care, please like and share the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any query, type in the comment box. You will get the reply soon. Thank you.